Alright, y'all, we back with another trade recap. I'm filming this in the future because I didn't film it on the day that I took the trade, but we are up, I think, 1700 today. Pretty good day for trading. Let's run through my bias, and then we're gonna do a little replay sesh of the New York session. And yeah. So, bias didn't go in the day was extremely bearish. So, first of all, let me draw this SMT. We have SMT at the highs, and we've manipulated, and we've continued to sell off this whole week. And you can see then, respecting bearish imbalances like this 4 hour. And at open, I want to see this low get taken. I'm not interested in taking anything open because we have 10 a.m. news. And that's going to play into what I did with this trade. Okay, so at open, put on the 1 minute. We have this big dump, no manipulation, just not very clean. And something that we don't really want to be into. Dump all the way down to this low one. Come back to it. This is just kind of like barcode trading, and just very volatile, and nothing that we really want to, indulge in. After sweeping this low, we end up putting in an SMT with ES. So I'm gonna zoom out and show you this. So we put an SMT at this low, and now I don't think that we're done moving because we still have this sell side level right here and this sell side level right here, which are very high probability to complete this sort of market maker model that we're in. And the fractability of this trade will also play out into why I took it. So I want to see this SMT bring us up to take some buy side, maybe to soup or just to see any manipulation to go on the opposite draw. So after the SMT, I see price kind of building up. Some people along this, but it was just kind of cheap, I feel. And then we get our last leg up after this, and then we manipulate this high. ES takes it, Nike doesn't, so we put an SMT. And then you see this little candle right here is our chain to the state, and then after the chain to the state gets ran through, I want to see this one at 1 minute for rally gap get ran through to, confirm that we're having a reversal. The reason I didn't wait until, say, this one to get ran through is because the 1 minute for rally gap below it, and that's enough, I guess, validation to know that there's going to be a reversal here. Also with the SMT, I enter short about right here after this candle, and have my stop at this high. And originally, I'm just targeting this low right here, but I scale into this position as we go throughout the trade. So price finds its way quickly down there, but then we kind of stumble back up, and I almost get stopped out, but price eventually comes down. And then after this low gets taken, I slap on 3 more cons. I was in 3 cons before, and so now I'm in 6. And slap on 3 more cons, put my stop to break even. And then I target this low right here. I go bam. And that should ride. And then eventually goes to my TP. So the alignment with time and price in this trade and the fractability is what made this trade a winning trade. So first of all, 10 a.m. news. We don't want to touch the market until this 10 a.m. news hits. I believe it was PPI, and that usually brings some type of volatile spike that we want to avoid, that will eventually give us a fake out to go in the opposite direction. So, fractability. We'll look at this higher time frame. So the higher time frame obviously has this little market maker model or sell model, or whatever you want to call it, to take these lows. I want to see the exact same thing in my little range. I want to see buy set liquidity taken and then obviously displacement. So this is what I see right here. Buy set liquidity taken, displacement. And that adds so much quality to these trades. Also align with technical price with correct concepts applied to them, like change of state, rally up, and SMT, which are very high quality and just reliable things you can rely on. But yeah, nothing really wrong with the day. I'm pretty happy about how I handled it, about how everything went about. But yeah, tell me if you guys took any trades. This trade was taken on Wednesday, the 4th February 2026. So yeah, let me know, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace, my fellas.